What's up, everybody? Another video of questions. So, been talking to us about this a few times, and of course it's come up a lot, but YouTube. How many of you guys started your YouTube channel solely to, or with the hopes of making money? You know, I'm just kind of curious about it. I mean, my personal opinion is, if you started your YouTube and you tell me that you had no intentions of ever making money, with the exception of a few people, I'm gonna call you a liar.
Show me the money!
Me personally, absolutely, I started YouTube to try to make money. I have not made any money. I will probably never make money, that's no secret. We've talked about this before. But one thing that bugs me is that some people are so hell-bent on making money off of something from YouTube or whatever that they'll do whatever it takes. I mean, hi birdie, they'll go different routes, you know. YouTube made the algorithm changes, whatever, it fucking happens. You know, it's a business. I get it, I understand it. I'm not mad at them for it. It's a business. Now, as far as changing some of the things that you can post and can't post, I think that's shitty, but, you know, fuck it, whatever. But, you know, it is a business. What gets it to me is some of you people out there that just so hell-bent on making money off this that, you know, and I guess I can't be too mad at you, but I guess it's just the way you come across, like trying to get several different sponsorships, shit like that. I mean, and don't get me wrong, I get it, I understand. Everybody wants to make money, shit like that. Goddamn fucking handlebars. Everybody wants to make money, shit like that. I get that part. But whenever you start just being fucking cocky and a fucking dickhead about it, that's when I have the problem. And what I mean by that is, there's not just one or two, there's actually several people out there that are like, I mean, they're just pushing and pushing what they're doing and trying to get people on board and shit like that. People don't want to get on board, they're not gonna get on board, you know. If you want to make stickers, shit, that's cool. Go fuck, I gotta buy stickers from somebody. But when you're like trying to push your product so hard to the point of either forcing people or making people feel like they have to buy shit from you, or they just stop watching you altogether. And that's gonna be me. I'm gonna stop. I've already stopped watching several of you because you push your shit so fucking hard. I mean, you're being dicks about the shit. If somebody wants to buy something, they're gonna buy something. If they don't, they don't. Stop pushing your shit so fucking hard. And stop being greedy. Stop trying to act like your YouTube channel is so fucking great. And I'm talking about the guys, I mean, you're talking about guys right now that are 1,000 subs, 500 subs, 3,000 subs, shit like that. These are the guys that are really pushing this shit. I mean, I don't see it out of the bigger channels. I see it out of the smaller channels. My opinion is, you've been doing YouTube, and this goes for the several people I'm talking about. You've been doing YouTube for several years and you haven't made it, you're not gonna fucking make it. Quit pushing your bullshit on people. Just me, just my opinion. Everybody knows I'm a fucking dickhead and I don't tolerate bullshit.
Giant twerp, scumbag, fuckface, dickhead, asshole!
And I see that stuff as bullshit. It's fucking annoying. Stop doing it. I'm not gonna buy your shit from you. I promise you I won't. Simply because you're a fucking cock about it and you won't shut your fucking cock holster about it. All you do is talk about it. And then you do something on your channel, you ask opinions of your friends, and then you get mad at them and stop talking to them whenever they give you the opinion. I mean, if you didn't want the fucking opinion, don't fucking ask. I mean, it's fucking stupid and ridiculous. You're an idiot.
You're a fucking idiot.
I hope you catch a rotten crotch and scratch your dick off. So, anyways, I just don't understand. I honest, like I said, I understand the need to make money. That shit's fine. But my problem with people is, don't push your bullshit on me. I mean, it goes back to my last video about the fucking helmets. Don't push your fucking opinions on me. Your opinion is fine. I will respect your opinion. I'll respect what you're trying to do in your life. But don't push it on me. I disagree with you. Don't try to change my mind. It's not going to happen. As a matter of fact, it's going to make it worse. Just the way I am. But anyways, rant over.
What you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard. At no point in your rambling, incoherent response were you even close to anything that could be considered a rational thought. Everyone in this room is now dumber for having listened to it. I award you no points, and may God have mercy on your soul.
But I do have another question. What could I do to my channel to make it more entertaining for you guys?
Ass. Ooh, what else? Titty. Ooh, what else?
I mean, I've done a couple fucking rant bitch videos. I don't really care much for doing them, but shit gets to me and I want to talk about it, so I talk about it. But what else could I do? What else could I do to make my channel more entertaining for you guys? So, comment down there somewhere and let me know what you guys think. What you guys would rather see out of me. You know, the racing videos, I know a lot of people love the racing videos. Some people don't care much for them. I'm not too sure on how well the racing video is going to come out this year because we don't have too many places to race, and my main spot has just been overran. I mean, like, there's so many people out there now, it's ridiculous. And people are stupid and idiots, and they like to pull out in front of you while you're racing. So when there gets to be, you know, 150 fucking people down there, the motorcycles tend to shut down and not race anymore. Because I have had a couple people pull out in front of me. My buddies have had them pull out in front of them. Able to shut down in time, but you know, it's too dangerous at that point. So what else would you guys like to see? I know some people like to see me do more test rides. The problem with that is finding bikes.
You got like 3 feet of air that time. Can I try it really quick?
I still got a few that I still have yet to ride. Hopefully I'll get to ride them sometime this year. I'm trying to find other bikes to ride. That's becoming a little bit of a problem right now, but no, it's still beginning of season. But anyways, I think I'm gonna call this one. Y'all just leave some comments, share this shit, like it, piss on it, shit on it, give it a thumbs down. I really don't care. It doesn't bother me. I mean, it might bother me if you shit on it a little bit. But anyways, I'll catch y'all on the flip side. Later.